Hello, my name is Laura. I live in my van that I converted myself, and I travel with Snuffkin and my 2 guinea pigs. So why don't you join me on my adventures? Here on my channel, Destination Unknown. Hello. I was just out on a jog and I ended up going quite far, and I've gone to a Viking burial mound place from 3,000 years ago, and there's planes going over this town. This never happens. It's very odd. There's never planes here, and I don't know what they are. Anyway, yeah, so on the sign it says this is from 3,000 years ago, and I mean you can see all the mounds of stone, and it's guarded by dragons and a black cat. Hello everyone. I have 4 days left in the house. Oh yeah, I have to hand over the keys on Wednesday. Yeah, I've pretty much been selling everything for the last 3 weeks. I literally selling everything. I sold my dining table, chairs, TV's going tomorrow, sofa's going, I've sold bed, got another bed going on Monday. Yeah, it's weird, it's like weird to sell everything off. Yeah. And then after Wednesday, yeah, I'm kind of taking it easy, I guess, for a bit. I'm gonna be like parking at my friends like I normally do anyway. But yeah, shall see. I'm looking into like getting a place, like a small place to rent out, like full-time rental thing, so hopefully I can kind of live on that money, and just live in the van and then travel for a few more years. I don't know, I still don't really know what I want to do with my life, so seems like a good step. Invest this house money into something else that can be paying for itself, hopefully, and paying for me. Yeah. I And there's scaffolding put up because the people that are moving in are getting their roof done like immediately. Yeah, tomorrow doing another run to the dump. And then my friend's coming with the trailer one more time. I think I should do it. And then Tuesday I'm packing everything, like all that's left is my PC basically anyway. And a picture that I painted. Yeah, I'll be setting up my PC like with my friends this summer so we can LAN and stuff. But yeah, a trailer out here with stuff that I borrowed. But yeah, nearly like empty now. Just been going around cleaning as well. I just spent like 4 hours cleaning the oven trays. Because in Sweden, like, cleaning the house when you move is like a really big thing. And it's like really important, and you have to do it like properly. And I got a quote, and it was going to be 1,500 to clean my house. I was like, okay. I mean, I was going to do it just so I don't have to like stress. But my friend was like, don't do it. Like, he's never paid for, cleaning. So we've been doing it for like, well, I've been doing it, for like a week. But my friend's come as well, and he helps me with bits that I'm not very good at, like, I don't know, whatever I can't reach and stuff. And then he's coming back again on Monday or Tuesday. So hopefully, yeah, I think they'll be happy. Apparently it's like really important out here to do it properly, but I mean, we're not like taking any shortcuts. Literally, like my arm is aching so much. I'm like scrubbing. Yeah. Yeah. What was I gonna say? I forgot. Because I saw Snufkin's bum. is the docking station for the ROG Ally, and this is my USB Bluetooth keyboard and mouse, and then the power to the TV, and the power goes out to this, a special 60-watt cigarette charger, and then the TV comes out here and plugs into the TV, and then the TV power comes through the back here and plugs into my electric. Oh, here you go. It was a bit chaotic, but it works. Yeah. So it's been squished a little bit. As you can see, it's sunny. I got full power from the sun today. And whatever else is in here. This is a switch to my light over here, and my outside light on the outside. Another Bluetooth one, so I use the switch over here. I don't have to open this to do it. And then when I close up, we put this up with Velcro so that I don't press any buttons like I've done by accident before and turned everything off. Yeah, because obviously I fill this up with clothes or whatever.